Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming access and payment details so nothing blocks ad delivery. Install the Facebook pixel and validate key events with test events. Once done, you'll see real-time signals that power optimization. Next, choose one objective, conversions, traffic, or lead generation, and set a sensible daily budget that matches your funnel stage. Make sure to name campaigns logically and enable account-level reporting. These steps get you from setup to measurable activity fast, avoiding wasted spend. You now build the campaign scaffold and focus on signal quality. Create ad sets that separate audiences so each can learn. Use 1 to 3 audiences per ad set and include lookalike, interests, and retargeting. For creative, upload multiple variations and run /B tests on visuals, headlines, and CTAs while keeping copy concise. Monitor frequency, CPM, and relevance. Once a winner emerges, scale gradually with budget increases of 20% every 2 to 3 days. Make sure to track ROAS and conversion path. You finalize by consolidating winners and planning scale. Duplicate top ad sets and increase budgets in controlled increments. Use campaign budget optimization when you need automation, but prefer manual scaling for granular control. Reallocate spend from underperformers to high ROAS ads and expand lookalikes or broaden interests to find growth. If results drop, troubleshoot quickly. Check pixel events, attribution window mismatch, ad disapprovals, and audience overlap. One tip: pause new tests when scaling to avoid confusing the learning phase and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.